Hello, guys. Today we're gonna do a review on the uh, pool solar that I installed. I installed this myself, and it is easy, right? So coming off, I have to make a T right there, right? This one is going up. This one is the return, and it has a two valve supply that they gave to me. Though I have to purchase another T in there because it did not come with it, but that's okay. So I installed it, put it on the side. And by the way, I installed this on my patio shade versus my roof. If I get more sunlight on my patio shade than on the roof. Because this one is south facing, so it'll be good. I only have the four. So you can see there. So this is the incoming. All the water will flow. So I don't really, well, I tie it down here. I put a anchor in there and there to hold it. You can see it's going nowhere, right? And I am getting approximately just for an hour, I get 3 degrees up, right? Well, it's already too hot in Vegas, but I have this so that it will extend my swimming time. As you can see, all laid flat and nothing is leaking. Really great product. Highly recommended, guys. And it's easy to install. I mean, super easy. As you can see, the sun is about to come up, and this does two function for me. One, it cools my aluma wood patio deck or patio shade, right? And it warms up my water. So it's a dual purpose for me, and it is doing great so far. So, well, that's it, guys. If you are thinking about getting a new one, I recommend this company, and they provide you with a great product, great selection. And for me, this is a perfect system. Having four panels, it is more than enough to warm up my pool. Thank you and have a great day.